I don't wanna wake up.
Perfect, thank you.
Don't tell me I'm wasting time. I'll show you what I'm made of. And give my dreams life. I'll put it all on the line. Just like I'm young, wild and alive.
Hey guys, if you can't tell already, we made it to Sun Outdoors location in Granby, Colorado. It is snow everywhere. It's snowing right now. It's absolutely beautiful here. But if you watch back to our Moab video, this is very similar layout of the cabin that we stayed in there. And it's like super log cabin vibes. I love it. It gives me like a Lincoln Logs from my childhood. Building Lincoln Logs, it gives me that vibe. Super, super cute. The shower, super impressed me. Really cute. But we got our little cabin here and we are gonna be having a bunch of fun. I haven't had any snow trips recently or in like a long time. So coming here to Colorado, I used to come here for Winter X Games, but that's when I was really little. Now, haven't made many trips out here, so we're gonna be having a blast. There's a massive storm coming in tonight, and so we're gonna go snowboarding tomorrow and rip it up. Dude, it's pouring right now, or dumping. What do you call it when snow's falling?
I think it's dumping.
Dumping snow. I mean, it's
not
definitely
pouring
dumping.
snow. I don't think that sounds right.
That dude's walking his dog. Oh, GoPro accessories, look at that.
There we go.
Boom.
So let's see.
How are you folks today?
Good, how are you?
Good. What's going on?
We're freezing.
It's not even winter yet.
I think your warm and my warm are two different warms. I couldn't see on the tag.
230.
230? Damn, it's expensive.
I figured out, I asked one of the guys, he said dumping is the right name for this.
Dumping. It is dumping. Look how big these snowflakes are. Freezing my eyelid. Oh my gosh. How do people enjoy this? Why do people like willingly? Like, oh, let's go hit the town. Screw the town.
I mean, it is pretty, but
Until you get out of the car.
Yeah, it does kind of suck. You think the lake is frozen over?
I don't know how those work. I lived in California.
I'm from Florida. I've never seen snow this thick, dude.
It's really cute over here. The whole welcome area has that arcade. They got the bowling alley, and right here is the bar and grill, so you guys can eat, get drinks, whatever. You literally, parents, get drinks right here, send the kids off to bowling, and you're set. I can't tell you what part of my body hurts worse right now. I think it's my hands.
Here, I'll make a bet with you. If you lose, you have to go face first, belly flop into the snow when we get back outside.
Boy, if you lose, belly flop into the lake. You know, I'll take you up on that bet. Yeah, are you kidding me? Are you just bombing them?
I figured it out, son. You have to strike here, dude.
Well,
You have to strike.
It's a little too low in the release. I just want an Airstream. Look at those Airstreams. This is one of those locations. Not many of them you can do this, but like out here, they offer that you guys can rent Airstreams. And I am a fanatic for an Airstream. This is the event center where when they have things going on, which they do this evening, but I want to go see the gym.
Oh, whoa.
Oh, wow. It's a nice gym.
Yeah.
Good game plan. Let's run a mile and then we'll head back, work up a sweat, get warmed up, and so we don't freeze as bad. Well, we passed this place and we were driving into Granby. It's a full like tubing, sledding kind of tile hill. And so we're gonna go hit it. We decided that this needs to be our first stop before we go snowboarding, because after we're done snowboarding, we have a feeling we're gonna be pretty exhausted.
I've always seen people doing this and I was like, man, I really want to try it. So I guess no place better to do it than Colorado, right?
We're just gonna do 2 singles.
Yes, miss. Would you like red or blue?
Whatever's fine.
All right, cool. There you go. That'll be fast.
Okay, it's gloss. It has more speed in it. Try not to steer.
Because steering's really, you'll spin more.
Okay.
And you want to keep your hands warm and your limbs in, and Just arch your back when you're in the tube.
I'm like a shooting star going down.
You're gonna go 30, 40 miles an hour.
30, 40 miles an hour. Got it.
So be
Oh God, it's sketchy. All right, I think I'm on good. My tube wants to fall down. Hi, I'm freezing. Damn, this hill's a lot steeper than it looks. They disappear of the ledge.
There you go.
Yep.
There we go.
Do you guys hold on right here?
Yep.
All right.
Hang on to that.
Or go straight. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. We're falling at. Oh no, I'm getting free! Of course! Oh God, big tube coming, big tube, big tube, big tube! That was so much fun! That was a blast! Oh, you wanna go now? Yeah. Shoot, dude. Are you kidding me? Look how snowy I am. How did I get sprayed so bad?
Oh gosh, the little kid. Watch out. Just head down right here. All right, cool, thanks for answering. Holy crap, dude, you're flying. Oh man. It feels a lot sketchier. I mean, it feels a lot bigger than it looks. Like when you were going, I didn't think it was like that crazy till you get up there.
I'm feeling pretty sporty right now. I don't feel cold at all at the moment. I can barely walk. I'm walking like the kid from the Christmas Story. I have 5 shirts on. I have 4 pairs of pants and 4 pairs of socks.
I'm feeling pretty good. I've got like completely bundled up here, all the way up. The only thing exposed is my nose, and that's because I like to be able to breathe. 1, 2. 41. 41, baby. 41. Hey, you know what's funny?
What?
You look like you should just absolutely rip.
I am the biggest catfish right now. Small show, no go. Okay, here we go.
You know what's sketchy? Is if you go that way about 10 foot, oh, what's up? You're dead.
It's cold.
My GoPro failed again.
Shocker.
Here's the situation we're faced with. Is if we get there and go left, that's a black diamond.
Oh.
We have to get across.
Oh, the Granby dancer?
Yeah.
You're right, that is a black diamond. They're like, okay, everyone who needs to go the easy trail, just cross the black diamond if everyone's holding it.
We're not talented enough for black diamond.
We're gonna take each other out right now.
The view is just unreal. So sick, dude.
It's snowing. And I'm cold.
I'm having a blast, so this is so cool. Like
This is.
the difference between like here and Beach Mountain is like beach, there's literally 2 to 3 runs.
Yeah.
Here, there's like 100. Yeah. And as a kid from Florida, like being in actual snow while it's coming down and powdery, it's like full experience. Oh, she's ripping now. Oh, she got it now.
Green on the signal, food on the gas tonight. If I want to, I'll never learn. And if I want to watch me, I can. Circle the globe and do it again.
I'm down.
What is this? Oh! Hey, the A1 Supercross moves will get you every time. You look like freaking JS7 trying to go through there. Got a little scrolled out. I bought this GoPro thing so I could film on it and hold it with a glove. But now, the GoPro failed like normal. So now I have to hold my hand out like this with my phone. And my hand is about to fall off. So I hope you guys are enjoying this. Hey, get some burn blasting action.
Well guys, that is it for our stay here at Sun Outdoors in Colorado, and we had such a great time. It's so cool, this little like town that pretty much revolves around the whole mountain, and being able to go skiing and be able to go snowboarding and just have a blast, hang out with your friends, your family. Just such a good time. Really get that whole like winter experience, and we had such a great time and enjoyed it so much. There's a bunch of cute little restaurants to go eat at, so I really suggest coming here to Colorado and check it out. Granby is such a cute little town, and who wouldn't want to stay in a beautiful cabin like this and then be able to go snowboarding and skiing just a few miles up the road. So with that being said, I appreciate you guys tagging along for the last 5 trips of us checking out all these locations, and hopefully we get to do it again next year and you guys can see more of what amazing places Sun Outdoors offers at their locations. So we'll see you next time, hopefully.